Hello students, let us now learn from exercise 2b. First question says, if px equals 4 plus 3x minus x square plus 5x cube, then find out p0. Now px is given to you. Now you have to find out p0. Now let us start. Solution. Given, what is given to you? Px is given to you 4 plus 3x minus x square plus 5x cube. Therefore p0. Now what does it mean? Now see here, if you have x here, here you have x, means this polynomial is in terms of x. That is the meaning of px. Now you have p0 means in place of x you have to put 0. That means you have to write down these polynomials in terms of 0. Now p0 in terms of x should be placed by 0. 4 plus 3 into 0 minus 0 square plus 5 into 0 cube. Now next you have 4 plus 3 into 0, 0 minus 0 square is 0 plus 5 into 0 cube is 0. So you have 4, 0, 0, no need to write, is not it? Plus 5 into 0, 0. It is simply 4. That is the answer. Now if you look at next question, same expression, same polynomial px, but you have to find out p2 now. Again, solution. Given px equals to 4 plus 3x minus x square plus 5x cube. So you have to find out p2. What does it mean? It means in place of x you will put 2. In place of x you will put 2. Now let us start. 4, 3 into 2 minus x square means 2 square plus 5 into x cube means 2 cube. Okay. Now you have next line. 4 plus 3 into 2 will give you 6 minus 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. It is 4 plus 5 into 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. See, 2 cube equals to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It means 8. So 5 into 8. Next you have 4 plus 6, 10 minus 4 plus 8 into 5s are 14. Now you add the terms. 4 plus 10, 50, 40 plus 10, 50 minus 4, 50 minus 4 is 46. That is the answer. Now let us move on to the next question. Now let us do question number 3. Now question number 1 and question number 2 are same. Now let us go to question number 3. Now question number 3 says, find the zeros of the polynomial. Now given polynomial is px equal to x minus 4. Now what is the meaning of zeros? Now here in a simple term, 0 means you have to find out the value of x in such a way that when you put that value of x in the given expression, it becomes 0. Therefore, it is called zeros of a polynomial. Now, find the zeros of the polynomial. Px equals to x minus 4. Given Px equals to x minus 4. Now, we write let Px equals to 0. Now, why do we equate with 0? As I just said that we equate with 0 because when you get the value of x and when you put that value of x here, everything will become 0, and that is why we say let px equal to 0. Now what is the value of px? Px means x minus 4. So in place of px you put x minus 4 equals to 0. Now transfer this x from this side to that side. So when you move a number or any term from one side to another side, the sign changes. That means minus will become plus and plus will become minus. Now we have got the value of x as 4. Now you put this value here. Don't write, just check. X equal to 4. Now put this 4 here. You have 4 minus 4. Will it not become 0? Yes, it becomes 0. That is why it is called 0 of the polynomial. Understand? So you'll write down, hence the 0 of the given polynomial is 4. That is the answer. Now let us go to next question number 2. Again, find the 0 of qx equals to x plus 7. Same, exactly same. Given qx equals to x plus 7. Again, let qx equals to 0. Now, just now I have explained you why do we write qx equals to 0, because when you get the value of x and put that same value here, the expression becomes 0. That is why we say let qx equal to 0. That is the only way to find out. Okay? Now what is the value of qx? X plus 7. X plus 7 equals to 0. Again, if you shift, if you move this number from one side to another side, the sign will change. Now minus plus 7, when it goes this side, it becomes minus 7. No need to write 0. So what is the value of x? Minus 7. Now just verify. Put this minus 7 here. What do you get? Minus 7 plus 7. Is it not 0? Yes, it is 0. So therefore, you write down hence the 0 of the given polynomial is minus 7. That is the answer. Isn't it simple? Just equate with 0, get the value of x, that is the answer. Alright? Now let us move on to the next question. Now let us learn this question number 4. Verify that minus 5 is a 0 of the polynomial px equals to x plus 5. Now you have to verify whether minus 5 is a 0 of the polynomial or not. Now, in the previous question, we have checked to find out we have seen how to find out the zeros, is not it? Now we have to verify whether the number is a 0 or not. Now, given, let us start solution. Given px equals to x plus 5. Now, putting x equals to minus 5 in px, we get, now what do? We put the value of x equals to minus 5. Remember in the previous question, x was the answer here, there. Now here, put that x equals to minus 5 here in equation in px. We get, therefore, in place of x you put p minus 5. In place of x you write down minus 5. So minus 5 plus 5, isn't it 0? Yes, it is 0. Since on putting minus 5 in place of x, you get 0. Hence, minus 5 is the 0 of px. Verified. That is the answer. Very simple. Is not it? Now next question. Now again, verify that minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial qx equals to 2x plus 1. Given qx equals to 2x plus 1. Again, putting x equals to minus 1 by 2 in in qx, we get, what do we get? Therefore, in place of x, you write down minus 1 by 2. So, q minus 1 by 2 equals to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now, what can we do? Now, we can cancel these. 2 ones are, 2 ones are. What is left? 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1. So, this one, no need to write. So, minus 1 plus 1, 0. So, since you got 0, you can write down hence minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of qx verified. That is the answer. Isn't it simple? If the answer is 0, the given number is the 0 of the polynomial in this questions. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. Now let us try this question number 6, sum number 1, which says if x equals to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial px equals to 8x cubed minus kx square minus x plus 2, then find the value of k. It says that if minus x equals to minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of px, find the value of k. Let us start. Okay. Given px equals to 8x cubed minus kx square minus x plus 2, since x equals to minus 2 is a 0 of this polynomial, you write down putting x equals to minus 1 by 2 in px, we get, what do we get? P of minus 1 by 2, in place of x you put minus 1 by 2. 8 into minus 1 by 2 whole thing cube minus k minus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 plus 2. And let us try. 8 into minus 1 by 2 whole thing cube. It means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 2, which means minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. By 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So you have minus 1 by 8 minus k. Minus 1 by 2 whole thing square means minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 2. You will have minus into minus plus 1, 1, 1. 2 to the 4. You have 1 by 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 plus 2. So now you can cancel 8 ones are 8 ones are. So what is left? Minus 1 minus k by 4, k into 1, k by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. Now you can take the LCM of all these all the 4 terms. Or first we can do one thing. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1 minus k by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now you can take the LCM of all the 3 terms. LCM of 1, 4 and 2 is 4. 1, 4s are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 into k, k. 2, 2s are 4. Again 2 into 1, 2. So you have 4 plus 2, 6 minus k by 4. Now next part of the question. Now the question says again, if this is the 0 of this polynomial, find the value of k. So you will write down, since x equals to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, px, of the polynomial px. Therefore, p of minus 1 by 2 equals to 0. That is what we have done, is not it? See, if it is a 0, then p of that value must be equal to 0. Alright. Now what is p minus 1 by 2? 6 minus k by 4 equals to 0. 6 minus k equals to 0 into 4. 6 minus k equals to 0. 6 equals to, this k will go this side, it becomes k. Therefore, k equals to 6. Then you can write down, hence, the required value of k is 6 answer. That's that. Now, again, if x equals to minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial px, find the value of k. Given, putting x equals to minus 1 by 2 in this equation, in this px, you get this value. In place of x, you put minus 1 by 2. After simplifying this one, we got 6 minus k by 4. Now, since x equals to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial px, so therefore, this p minus 1 by 2 must be equal to 0. Now, what is the value of p minus 1 by 2? It is 6 minus k by 4. Put here. Now, you cross multiply. 4 into 0, 0. 6 minus k equal to 0 into 4. 6 minus k equal to 0. This k will go this side, becomes 6 equal to k. Therefore, k equal to 6. Hence, the required value of k is 6. So, let us move on to the next question now. Let us try question number 7, which says, if x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial px equals to 2x cubed minus 3x to the power 2 plus ax plus b, find the values of a and b. Now let us start solution. Given px equals to 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus ax plus b. Now again, here the question says x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1 are the zeros of this px. So putting x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 1 in px, we get, okay? Therefore, first put p of 0. In place of this, you put 0. In place of x, 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b. So what do you get? You simply get all will become 0, you get only b. And p of minus 1. Now put minus 1 in place of x. 2 into minus 1 cube. 3 into minus 1 square. A into minus 1 plus b. What do you get? Minus 1 cube means minus 1. Minus 1 square means 1. Plus into minus, minus a plus b. So you have 2 minus 1s are minus 2, minus 3, minus a, minus b. So you will have minus 2 plus 3 will be minus 5, minus a, minus b. Now, you have got p equal to 0 also, and you have got p equals to minus 1 also. Now, since x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 1 are the zeros of px, since x equals to minus 0 and x equals to minus 1 are the zeros of px, therefore p of 0 will be equals to 0, which implies that what is p of 0? P of 0 is b, which implies that b equals to 0 and p of minus 1 also equals to 0. Now what is p of minus 1? Minus 5 minus a minus b equals to 0. Now you have already got the value of b, which is equals to 0. Now find out a. Now since b is 0, I'll put this 0 here. minus 5 minus a minus 0 equals to 0. You write down since b equals to 0. Now minus 5 minus a equals to 0. Now this a will go this side. Minus 5 equals to a, therefore a equals to minus 5. You write down. Hence a equals to minus 5 and b equals to 0. This is the answer. So this is the end of exercise 2a. Now in our next video we shall move on to the next exercise. So thank you very much.